Welcome to my online course, Turn on the Calculator in Your Head. Let's see what we have in this lesson. Suppose we want 22 plus 34. We can see that the tens total is 5 and the units total is 6, which gives 56. We can imagine the numbers one below the other if we like this. This is easy as there are no carries. Another way is to start with the bigger number 34 and add 20 to it. This makes 54. Then add the 2 units to make it 56. Okay. Now of course it doesn't matter whether we do these left to right or right to left. In other words, it doesn't matter if we do the tens digits first and then the units or the other way around. Subtractions too are very easy. For example, 57 minus 33 is 24. Just subtract the tens first and then subtract the units. And we can imagine it like this if we like. If you want to get full benefit of this course, do the practice sheet of this lesson before moving on to the next lesson.